Welcome to Class 1000's How to Use the Nottingham NET Tram Guide. Opening a door. Step 1. Place your hand on the touch sensor. Step 2. Quickly remove your hand. And stand back because the door will automatically open, and it opens fast. Step 3. Get inside the tram. Step 4. Enjoy the epic ride. Booking tickets? There are 3 ways to book tram tickets. Book at the stop using the machines. You can also book another way at the stop by tapping a special card on a validator. And the final way is to download the NET Go app and book tickets faster than you can blink. How to buy a ticket with a machine. Step 1. Tap the screen to wake up the machine. The machine will then ask you which type of ticket you would like. Make sure to only focus on tram tickets, as we aren't interested in bus tickets. Step 2. Choose your ticket type. How to buy tickets with a validator. Step 1. Buy a special card. Step 2. Tap your card on the screen. The validator should then tell you that your card has been activated. Once your day with the trams is over, tap the validator screen again and it will tell you that your card has been deactivated. How to buy tickets with NET Go. Step 1. Purchase the NET Go app. Don't worry, it's 100% free. Once you've opened the app, choose your ticket type. That's all from me today. Goodbye.